What's up, guys? We're back at it again. It is, I believe, Wednesday, March 4th. We're heading over to the garage right now. We gotta go, we got a package delivered at the shop. We gotta go get that figured out, so stick along. And I got a surprise for you guys over there. Guys, look what it is. Boom. We got them fairings. Them eBay specials. Oh yeah. Alright guys, let's get it. So what's up? Now we got everything in today. We got the fairings for the 05636, obviously, that's on the stand. I bled the brakes and everything, got the braking system working decent yesterday, so it's functional. But yeah, I got the fairings in yesterday, and I got this bolt kit from NT Fairings World. Just an eBay brand, knockoff brand, but it actually like looks really good. You know, you got all your little bolts and your fasteners and everything in it. And whenever throwing fairings on, unless you're gonna just run a zip tie setup, which I don't recommend if you like fairings because they just get destroyed with zip ties. Ask me how I know. I had zip ties on my fairings all last year and I really regret it. Now I got these fairings and I want to be real with everybody here. I bought the cheapest set, it was like $189 on eBay. They came all scratched up. Now whether it be because it was packaged like that or somebody sent them back used, they're all together and all the mounting holes and everything look good, but they're all scratched up. And it's just really annoying because you get told you're getting a brand new set of fairings and then they come all scratched up and they wrap things like, I'm trying to refund these, that's why, but the guy's being really not cooperative about refunding it, which is also really pissing me off a little bit, to be completely honest with you. They wanted to give me $8 back because they're scratched up. So I'm gonna bring it under this light right here so you guys can see really well what I'm talking about best possible. See, like, so this is the tail piece, and yeah, I know I probably just scratched it more, but at this point I'm like, what the hell? It's hard to see on the camera, but it's just all scratched up. And I know that they say unpainted, but even if you're painting it, you're gonna have to buff that out, sand that out and everything. So if anything, why would you just not send me a set of fairings that just needed to be painted as an unpainted set? I know I'm running white because I'm doing white and gold with this bike, but you know, it's just really annoying. The customer service is really, eBay tries to have the customer side on things like this all the time, and they really, and I'm not trying to rant on this company, I don't even know their name, but I'll probably shout it out if they don't end up refunding me. I mean, everything came, you know, scratched up, and I'm trying to do things right this year, but at this point it's not looking like I gotta get the bike together because I want to go out Sunday. We're supposed to be at 51 degrees out here. It's been raining all week, so you know, all the salt's getting washed off the roads, the snow's all almost gone, so I want to go out, you know, Sunday at least. And this guy is really, you know, giving me a hard time about refunding it, so I'm probably just gonna throw it on. It is what it is. You get what you pay for. Every other set's like at least $300 on there. That was $220 after tax. So it is what it is. I'm degreasing the bike down. I'm just trying to make the best of what I got. I guess put a whole scratch up fairing set on, but for you guys, whatever. I'll do it for you guys. So I'm gonna go through it and do a time lapse real quick here of you know, degreasing the bike, maybe make it a little bit interesting. So stay tuned with me, and when I start mounting the fairings, I'll make a separate video on how putting all the fasteners on, doing all that part of it to the best of my ability. So stick with it, man. I'll be right back. and a freaking 32-ounce spray bottle. It gets a mist like this out of it. So I'm just doing a quick job cleaning the spots I need, and I don't have a scrubbing brush or anything, which is what I wanted to find today, but I just ran to Walmart quick to grab this stuff. So I have freaking a bug scrubbing thing that I got for $1.47. But like I said, I'm just gonna do this. A lot of this stuff on rockets, once you put the fairings on, you're not even gonna see them. So it's not really a looks thing, it's just more of a functional thing and just not being super dirty with it. So yeah, after I spray this, it's not gonna be in the time lapse, but you wanna take like a rag, cleaning rags, buy a set of them for $10 at Walmart. I've got a couple right here. I might be able to knock it out with these Harbor Freight microfibers. I doubt it. And just wipe everything down real good to the best of your ability. That's gonna get most of the grease and everything off of it, and the degreaser itself. And that's pretty much it as far as degreasing goes. So I'm gonna cut to now assembling the fairings to get ready to get put on. So you're gonna see that in 1, 2. Got the side fairings here all assembled. Yeah, this has been really difficult not having instructions or anything like that. What you want to do is you want to put the rubber grommets on the inside of the bottom piece, lock the tabs on. You know, you got to I'm gonna have to throw my turn signals and all that in there. I just got the bike jacked up on the motorcycle lift. A little sketchy. I didn't line the wheel chuck up last night when I put the bike on. Stupid on my part, I know. And I just jacked it into these forks, so if anything I'll just have to change the fender when I pull it off, which isn't hard at all. But yeah, I just put it right there on each side. Like I said, it's a little sketchy, but it seems to be holding up, so we're gonna get to throwing these on and we'll see how it goes.